Everyone tells you to find the best AI tool. They're wrong. By 2026, tools won't matter, only agents will. Here is why your current workflow is a liability. Right now, you're likely spending hours stitching together a perfect tool stack. You're paying for a dozen SaaS subscriptions just to move data from point A to point B. You think you're optimizing. In reality, you're just building a fragile house of cards. I've spent the last year analyzing the transition from generative AI to agentic AI, studying the frameworks that don't just chat, but actually execute. We are moving from the era of the prompt to the era of the objective. In this video, I'm predicting the exact agentic tool stack that will replace traditional SaaS by 2026. I'm going to show you how to stop being a tool operator and start being an AI architect. If you want to future-proof your business before the shift makes your current stack obsolete, pay attention. Right now, you're doing it wrong. You're spending hours searching for the perfect tool for every single task. The best CRM, the best AI writer, the best automation builder. You've built a stack. But here's the truth. Your stack is actually a cage. Every tool you add is another tab to manage, another subscription to pay, another API to break. You think you're being efficient, but you're actually becoming human glue. You're the one moving data from ChatGPT to a Google Sheet, then from the sheet to your email. That's not automation. That's just manual labor with a fancy interface. And while you're obsessing over which tool has the best UI, the game is changing. By 2026, the concept of a tool will be a relic. Why would you need a writing tool when you have an agent that manages your entire content strategy, publishes it, and analyzes the ROI without you touching a single button? If your workflow depends on you clicking generate and then copying and pasting, you aren't scaling. You're just decorating your bottleneck. The tools you're paying for today, they aren't assets. They're liabilities. Because the moment agentic AI hits the mainstream, your fragmented tool stack becomes a graveyard of obsolete subscriptions. Stop searching for the perfect AI app. That mindset is exactly why your workflow is a liability. Here is the hard truth. Most of you are just building a more expensive version of the old SaaS trap. You're adding AI-powered tools to your stack, but you're still the one doing the clicking. You're still the project manager. You're still the glue holding the automation together. In 2024, we had copilots, tools that helped us work, but by 2026, we moved to agents. A copilot waits for your prompt. An agent takes a goal. Think about it. A tool is a hammer. An agent is a carpenter. You don't tell a carpenter how to swing the hammer. You tell them to build a house. This is the shift to agentic AI. Instead of a stack of 20 disjointed SaaS subscriptions, the 2026 tool stack is a lean, autonomous ecosystem. First, you have the brain. This is your LLM core, likely a hybrid of Claude for reasoning and GPT for execution. Second, you have the nervous system. This is where the orchestration happens. This is why I use Make.com. It's no longer about simple if this, then that logic. It's about creating the infrastructure where agents can trigger other agents. Third, you have the specialized workers. This is where tools like Relevance AI come in. You aren't buying a CRM tool or a lead gen tool. You are building a custom agent that asterisk owns the lead generation process from discovery to booking. In the old way, you are the operator. In the agentic way, you are the architect. By 2026, the companies that win won't be the ones with the most tools. They'll be the ones with the most efficient agents. If your current workflow requires you to manually move data from one AI tool to another, you aren't automating. You're just digitizing your own busy work. Your goal shouldn't be to use AI. Your goal should be to remove yourself from the repetitive loop entirely. That is the only way to scale without adding headcount. So, how do you future-proof your workflow? I've partnered with Make.com to help you automate tasks with Agentic AI. Their platform integrates with top AI tools like Relevance AI to create custom agents. With Make.com, I've automated 50% of my workflow, saving 10 hours a week. That's more time for strategy and growth. Ready to upgrade? Click the link below to try Make.com and start building your Agentic AI tool stack. Use my exclusive discount code AGNTIC15 for 15% off. Don't wait, transform your workflow now.